All right, so let's look at these three tables together. It asks us to find the average rate of change over the intervals given. So what we know that means is average rate of change is the change in y over the change in x, or the difference in your y coordinates over the difference in your x coordinates. Oops, that should be x1. All right, so tables, in my opinion, are a little easier to see. And I'm going to kind of show you. So let's see. This says from x equals 0 to x equals 5. Well, x equals 0 is right here to x equals 5. Well, what I can see here pretty easily, from 0 to 5, that's a change of positive 5. I went up 5. My change in y over this interval, we went from 2 to 5. Notice those are the ones that match up. So that is a change of plus 3. So my change in y over change in x for this, or my average rate of change, see my change in y was 3 over my change in x would be 5. So there's your average rate of change for this one. Let's move to the second one. Now we are going from negative 3 to x equals 0. So we're starting here, going to here. So we have from 14 to negative 4. So let's see, negative 3 up to 0, that is a positive 3 change. 14 down to negative 4, that's going to be a negative 18. That's going to be subtracting 18. Now, let's say you didn't do that easily in your head, and you wanted a little help there. All you would need to do would be negative 4 minus 14 in your calculator, okay? That would show you that difference there. And I do know I'm going down because it's going from positive to negative. Positive 14 down to negative 4. So my change in y is equal to negative 18. We're going to do it over my change in x. So my change in y is negative 18 over my change in x was positive 3. Negative 18 divided by 3 gives me a change of negative 6. So that is my average rate of change. All right, I'm going to have to erase those so I can mark up the next table. So I'm going to take this and just, I will move our answer down to here. So it was what, negative 6. Leave that negative 18 over 3 so that you can know where that came from. There you go. All right, so now we're going from, just so it doesn't get confusing, use a lighter yellow. We're going from x equals 5 to x equals 10. Well, 5 to 10, that's a plus 5. Then my y, I'm going from negative 9. Remember, negatives work backwards. That's down to 10. So that's minus 1. So my average rate of change there, let's see, change in y over change in x. It's going to be negative 1 over 5, which is negative 1/5. So pretty much already there. All right, so I'll see you in the next video.